And welcome back to MS Psych Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get a free horse in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys have to do is you have to make your way over to Samin, and right here, to be more specific, this area, and this has horses on the map as well. But anyways, once you get to Samin, there will be a person standing like right here by the door, and if he's not here, you can just wait it out, like wait an hour or two or something, and he'll probably be here. But anyways, you just want to talk to him, and you might want to pop a quick save because you do need to like pass a persuasion test kind of. There's a bunch of different options. You can even pay for him, but it's not necessary. But anyways, basically the horse is the one that you come with. I think it's in the prologue, like the one that I'm sitting on right now. This is the horse that you get for completely free. The horse, it's not like the best horse, but it is a free horse, so that's that, I guess. But yeah, you just have to talk to him. I recommend quick saving right before in case you do fail the persuasion check and then you have to pay him. But I passed it on the first try, so it shouldn't be too hard. But other than that, you should be good to go, and then you can get a completely free horse. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. That is how to get a free horse. And yeah, as you can see, like it's not even a bad horse, but yeah, but it's like it's just free, so that's what you'll get for no money, I guess. But anyways, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.